Hello friends, my name is Reza Masood. Today we will discuss about a topic that how we can sort data in Microsoft Excel. So today's topic is very important and very interesting. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So friend, let's start. First of all, we have to understand that friend, if you have some data and you want to sort that data either alphabetically in ascending order, or either you want to sort the data in the descending order. How you can do this? By using the Microsoft Excel. So just click on the start button here, open the Microsoft Excel like this. Okay, now you have seen that Microsoft Excel file has been opened. Here you will notice that columns are there, ABC columns are there. So just put some data here first of all, like for example I am inserting some data just to show you the example that how we can do that. Okay. Okay. Now friend, you notice that I have insert some data here. Okay. Now you want to do the sorting of that data. Sorting means that you want that alphabetically this data should be sorted out. Like sorting means like ascending order from A to Z. I want to sort that data. So what I will do, just click here and drag the mouse like that by clicking on the left button of mouse and drag it. So you have noticed that I have selected all the data. Now go on the data option. Here you will see the option of sort. Okay. So there are two options. This is the sort A to Z, that means it is ascending order, and this is the sort Z to A, that means it is the descending order. So first of all I will apply the A to Z. So you see it has been sorted out in the ascending order, A to Z. So it has been sorted out from in the ascending order. Now if you want to change the order, like in the descending order, you can just apply this option, sort Z to A. So it will sort the data in the descending order. So apply, click on that. So you would notice that it has been sorted in the descending order. Okay. If you want to apply again the ascending order, just apply that and it will again apply the ascending order A to Z. So there are two options here, sort A to Z and then the sort Z to A. This one is descending order and this one is the descending order. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you friends.